What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I am back with another video. In this video, we will be doing a closure maintenance appointment. So this closure sew-in, I believe it's been in for a month and a half. It's been about 6 weeks she done had this closure sew-in, and as you can see, the closure is just sliding back. So it's time, okay? It's time that we take this closure off. We wash these bundles real good, and then we re-sew this closure back down. So sometimes in the closure maintenance, like, you know, they come back at like 2-3 weeks. The closure probably hasn't moved that much. But my girl has had this sewing in for 6 weeks, okay? So it was time. I ain't seen her in 6 weeks. It was time. Now, I'm going to start this off by saying this hair, and she know, because me and her talked about it. This hair is not doing that well, guys. This is hair from UNice. I'm going to be honest, when I first installed it on hair, I thought the hair was beautiful. I thought it was great. I was like, wow, UNice did their thing with this hair and this closure. But y'all, we started washing this hair. It was just matting and got very tangled. I asked her, I'm like, have you tried to wash this hair at home? And she said yes, and that the same thing had happened to her at home. So UNice, do better, okay? Because the hair shouldn't have been tangled like that. I don't know if they process. I don't know. But y'all will see at some point in the video of me trying to detangle it. I had put silicone mix on it with conditioner first. Detangled it one time. Went to rinse that out. We got back to the chair and it was all knotted back up once again. Literally after me already detangling with a good conditioner in there. But you'll see. I'm just going to tell y'all, she got this hair from UNice. We don't know if we like it. Whatever. Took that closure off nice and clean. There's no holes. Even though I do sew through the front of the closure, there was no holes in that, okay? I'm spraying her with an antiseptic just so we can get down to her root because, again, she has had this sewing in for 6 weeks and she really hasn't done like a really good shampoo on her hair and her scalp. So I'm going to spray the antiseptic, let that work as I tighten up any tracks before we go to the shampoo bowl. And then, you know, once I shampoo her, I'm blow dry just a little bit, and then I put my clients under the dryer for like, you know, 45 minutes to an hour just to make sure that those braids are dry up underneath that sew-in, because if they're not, you already know your hair gonna be stinking. It's gonna be creating some type of mold underneath the braids. You don't want that on your scalp. So if you're shampooing your own sew-ins at home and you're getting your whole entire head wet, not just the hair, you need to sit underneath a hooded dryer for an extended amount of time, and you need to open up that sew-in so that the airflow is actually getting to the braid down. Very important, okay? So yeah, we took that closure off. I sprayed the antiseptic to get down to her root. I sewed up any loose tracks, and now we're going to shampoo this hair. After I shampoo, I blow dry the hair a little bit before putting her under the dryer just to make sure it's not soaking wet while she's sitting under that dryer for an hour. You know, we just want to make sure the hair not dripping everywhere. So I do blow dry the hair a little bit, and then I put my clients under the dryer to make sure that their scalp and their braids underneath those tracks are sewn in. Look, y'all, that hair, I had already spent about 30 minutes detangling at the conditioning stage. Why are we back at this? Whew, UNice, do better. You do better, do better, do better. And I mean, I was just so like, wow. It was shedding like crazy. By the time I really did get it good and dry and blow dried after she had sat under the dryer, I told her, I'm like, listen, girl, I know you got this hair like 26 inches, 24, 26. We finna cut this, okay? And I cut that hair right on up. I gave her a nice layered look. And who doesn't love a good, you know, 2-in-1 hairstyle? You know, you go for your maintenance appointment, you switch it up, okay? We had to cut those days. Look at all that shedding. And a bunch shedded before that too. Me and her talking about it. She like, girl, this hair, I don't know what's going on. So the cut really did help though. So yeah, just stay tuned for the remainder of this video. I believe this is the last video of this year of 2023 going into 2024. I just want to tell you all, thank you so much. We've grown so much on YouTube in this last 2 quarters, honestly, because I just started consistently posting probably for the last, I want to say 6 months. I really have gotten to the groove of posting every week consistently, and I thank you all so much for watching the videos, commenting below, sharing. I just really appreciate, you know, this family that has grown here on YouTube. As you go into 2024, you know, make some goals for yourself today. Write some stuff down that you want to happen next year and really believe that they can happen. Because I'm going to be honest with you, miracles are possible. I am a firm believer in the Lord, and I believe that, you know, He makes things happen. I've really got some news to share with y'all, but I ain't gonna say too much. Just know this background that you're seeing, we won't be in this background too much longer. I had to leave my shop abruptly this week due to, you know, some issues, and God is so good because we are in a much better predicament. So I moved me and my girls on up out this shop very abruptly, and you know, just stay tuned to see what's going on with the Pretty Lounge. I can't wait to share great news with you all. It's a lot happening, and you know, I just can't wait to share. I'm not gonna say too much right now just because, you know, I need to make sure it's gonna all come through, but you won't be seeing this background too much longer. We have a new background coming, so yeah, just stay tuned for that. Again, thank you all so much for being a part of the Pretty Lounge family here on YouTube. If you are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button so you can see new videos every Sunday at noon here on the Pretty Lounge channel. Comment below if you have any questions, comments, concerns. I can get back to you. Let me know if there's a hairstyle you specifically want to see so I can get to doing that. But other than that, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. Just stay tuned for the end of this video as I transform this closure sew-in that is 6 weeks old. And Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Wishing blessings on you and whatever it is that you want to do in the new year. Wishing blessings for you, and Happy New Year. You know, 2024, we are ready for you, and we are extending grace and mercy to those around us. We are wishing for health and prosperity for our family and friends, and most importantly, we are hoping that every word that we write down for the next year comes true, Lord. And I'm going to say Lord because I am a spiritual person. I do believe that God has done so much for me. I'm so blessed. And, you know, I wish blessings for you in the new year. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge in 2024. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Just stay tuned for the ending products. Have a great day.
You can run, but you can't hide. You can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide. You can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide. You can't hide. You can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide. get high. Get high. You can run, but you get high. You can run, but you get high. Get high. You can run, but you get high. You can run, but you get high. Get get you can run, but you get high. Get you can run, but you get high. You can run, but you get high. Get you can run, but you get high. You can run, but you get high. Get you can run, but you get high. You can run, but you get high. You can run, but you get high. Get you can run, but you get high. You can run, but you get high. Get you can run, but you get high. You can run, but you get high. Get get you can run, but you get high. Get you can run, but you get high. You can run, but you get high. Get you can run, but you get high. You can run, but you get high. Get you can run, but you get high. You can run, but you get